Hey, we're going to solve the equation. It's 5 times the log base 3 of 7 minus 5x. And then plus 2 equals 17. So our goal is to figure out what x is. So here's x inside the argument of the logarithm. So before we can get x by itself, we've got to get the argument by itself. So we've got to get the 7x minus 5 by itself. And before we do that, we got to get the entire logarithm by itself, because our method for getting this out of the logarithm is to use the idea that log base a of x equals y to be a to the y equals x. So the fact that we want to get this x out of the logarithm means we're going to have to go to a exponential form. So first of all, we got to get this log by itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this 2 over here, and I'm going to subtract it from both sides. Okay, so when I do that, I will have 5 log base 3 of 7 minus 5x equals 15. Okay, still don't have that logarithm by itself, so I'll divide both sides by 5. And that'll give me a logarithm by itself. Log base 3 of 7 minus 5x equals 3. Now I can use that where I change the logarithm to an exponential. So that'll be 3 cubed equals 7 minus 5x. The nice thing is that 3 cubed is a nice number. That's 27. So 27 equals 7 minus 5x. So I'll move the 7 over, so that's 20 equals negative 5x. And when I divide that out, I'll have x equals negative 4. So no decimal approximation there. One thing I do need to do is take that answer way back up top, or I should do, and plug it into the x up here. Plug negative 4 in. And make sure it doesn't make the argument of the logarithm negative. So negative 4 times negative 5 is 20, so the inside part of this would be 27, so it would be fine. All right, thank you.